I'm James Beck. I'm the head engineer at the $500,000 Putney. So the venue's been going nearly 60 years. We've kind of had everyone play here you can think of, from U2's first UK gig, Kate Bush's first gig, the Rolling Stones used to play here a lot. Basically anyone you can think of who's prominent in rock history has been through here at some point. I think it's super important to have a world-class system in here just because, you know, we get a range of acts from people starting out, people on the way up, on the way down. Yeah, we get a lot of touring engineers in here, so we needed something rider friendly, something that would perform night after night. You know, there's often 9 gigs a week here, with 2 on each day and on a weekend. So yeah, we just needed something reliable, sounded great. I was obviously aware of Martin Audio as a brand. We did have an act bring in a Martin Audio rig. That was Nick Mason from Pink Floyd. And his team brought in the MLA mini series. That was a few years back. That just blew me away. And that was the first time probably hearing Martin Audio in a small venue like this. So we immediately we were thinking of upgrading at that time. So the first thing we got was the LE200 monitors. And everyone was super impressed with them acts, you know, sound engineers loved them. So then it was just the obvious choice for front of house to continue with Martin.
Hi, I'm Louis Williams. I'm project manager for sales and system integrations for Solotech. So for the left-right, we've got the FP15s, and for the subs, we've got the double 18s. The monitors, we have the LA200s, and the side fill, we have the FP8s. We've got the Martin Audio DX 4.0 doing the processing, the ins and outs, and that's feeding into the Vio series of amplifiers. I've used Martin since I've been at Solotech. Always a great product out of the box. Sounds great. Good size for the venue. Something that came at the right price point as well. So this system ticked all the boxes.
First impressions were just wow. I mean, compared to what we had before, which I was so used to, and yeah, it just blew me away. The headroom for when it's a loud band, which is often a struggle in a small venue, just got that headroom there now. Clarity at high volume. Just sounds great across the whole frequency spectrum. It's amazing.